Hi, all you ZPE energy researchers out there. Coming to you live here from beautiful California. Just an update on the battery. I've been able to reduce the size and pretty much yield the same current. Here's a basic example of how I'm doing it. This was the old setup where I used a standard magnesium rod. Okay, it's very big, very thick, very clumsy, very expensive. And basically did the sodium silicate, the iron pyrite around the rod, etc., etc. And I'll put it in the cup right here. We'll see how many volts we get with this. I'll make sure the polarity is correct here. Okay. Basically, with this setup, I would average around half a volt or whatever. Remember, this is a very, very rough setup. Right now, this is yielding about 0.7 or 0.68 volts. Sorry, not volts, but 0.68. About half a volt. Trying to climb towards a volt. But the thing about this is that this is just one of the more thicker modules. Now, I've been able to get the same, if not more, voltage by using magnesium ribbon. And as you know, magnesium ribbon you can buy on eBay, you can buy on Amazon.com, or you can buy anywhere online. And I basically made these with just a strip of magnesium ribbon, and I'm getting the same amount of voltage, if not more. So I'll go ahead and test the voltage on this. And remember, I just have a slight layer of activated carbon and sand here on the inside, so that it does give a bit of increase in the current. This is just a rough prototype. Look at that. That's over a volt. And remember, this is just a rough prototype, so it's fluctuating a bit, but if I hold it here, hold it steady, it'll stay around a minimum of 0.8, 0.9 volts. And once again, it's the same setup. It's just two strips of actually, I have 5 strips of magnesium ribbon here, and they're folded into each other. So basically what I do is I get the magnesium ribbon, and then I fold it like this into 5, until I get five layers. And then I put the iron pyrite. Iron pyrite is applied between the magnesium ribbon. And then I put a layer of tissue paper around there, or it has to be a cotton fiber. And then I add basically Ormus. This is Ormus. You can buy it off the internet. It's ORMUS. Research has been showing it's a liquid semiconductor. But it does seem to help boost the voltage a little bit. And then in here I've got a little bit of layer activated carbon and sand. I have just a layer of it. I don't know if you guys can see it there, but it's a very light layer. It saves me the time of filling it off. Remember, this is a rough prototype. And I'm going to put it in there. I got the voltage. I got 0.12. And then when I take it out, because it comes out of the copper, it goes down to 0. And I'm going to put it back in. Make sure it's just steady there. It's just a rough prototype, but yeah, there we go. It's about 0.7. This is just a rough setup, by the way. Now, my next video, I'll give a demonstration how to make these. It's very simple, but I'm also going to be using different mixtures. Like with this one, I have galena, pyrite, and peacock ore, which is also known as chucopelite. And another one, we're going to try overlane and pyrite. But the good thing about this new small size is that I can make dozens and dozens of mixes without having to use a clumsy magnesium rod, and I get the same amount of voltage. So that I think is pretty economical and pretty convenient, and it also saves money in the long run. And then another video after this, I'm going to connect these in series and just go, get up to about 3 or 4 volts. But thank you for watching, and just a little update there. A great way to save money and increase the speed of research and accelerate the progress on the projects here. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.